People, so today we're going for a little adventure on the lake. The lake I think is frozen, so let's see if we can go for a little hike on the lake. Anyways, let's bring the BlendJet and make some smoothie. Okay, so here is Merit. And then we're going to drive to this lake. So we just need to find a spot where we can get on the lake. There's some boat entry places. Okay, so I'm taking this guy because this guy have too much energy. Okay, Matteo, so which smoothie are we going to make on the ice? We're going to try one of the Jetpack smoothie packs. So we have green peach ginger, tropical blue, banana blueberry, or mango matcha.
Mango matcha.
Mango matcha. Okay, so we just need to fill it up with 10 ounces of water or milk. So we're just going to do some water to really taste the flavors.
Yeah.
Okay, nice. Hello people and welcome to British Columbia. So back in the day, this used to be the historical center of Merritt, BC. We have the courthouse, some country gifts. There was a small church, but they are now rebuilding it because it burned down. Okay.
You see that stick deal at the water?
Okay, so now we are on the ice. So it looks like here we have some really thick ice, pretty dark inside. So yeah, let's go a little bit further. I'm walking on the lake. Whoa! So you know, this feels very solid, you know. I don't think I have to worry about sinking in the water like this, but there's no like cracking or anything. Looks very solid. So, but people, like the view here is very amazing.
I'll never tell. Yeah, I like you, that's for sure. Never have to close the door. Been a long time, a year before.
Look which one is. I'll go there.
So it looked like over there something was happening. Let's go check it out. Okay, so this looks like a fishing hole. I think actually, to be honest, I never did ice fishing, but I've seen people on here, so this looks to me like they cut out the circle and then, you know, put in the fishing line and then catch the fish. Yeah, so there was one here. There is one over there too.
And then one over there.
So this lake is called Nicola Lake because we are in the Nicola Valley.
Now you gotta turn look here. Oh, first I'm gonna go check out that.
You're an angel.
Okay, so this looked like a good spot for some blending time. Okay, so first time me trying out the smoothie pack. So we have the mango matcha, old school style. Okay, let's put in the smoothie powder. Okay, nice. So we don't have ice here, but let's just take some ice from the nature. Nice. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Just trust that I'll keep it locked in a cell. Never revealing no secrets you're keeping. These promises strong as a spell. I'll never tell.
Definitely mango matcha flavor.
My like that. Now I want to drink the horse thing.
Huh, so we're hearing some helicopter, but probably it's too far away to show in the video. Oh, it's actually right above us.
Now look how far it is right now.
Bye, helicopter!
Bye!
Anyways, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the show. See you next time for the next smoothie.
I like that smoothie.